Hi guys, it's so great to see you virtually. This is going to be our first virtual lesson on what the difference is between a square unit versus a unit. So as you know, area is the inside of a shape. So area equals inside, while the perimeter equals the outside. So I drew a shape over here that kind of looks like an L, and I'm going to count the inside squares. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that means my area is 22 square units. Now, if you're thinking about the inside of a shape and how they're all shaped like squares, because that means one space, then it's pretty simple to think about, an area equals square unit. The number of squares is the area. But the outside for the perimeter is just called a unit. So, for example, I have 2 squares for my area, so that means that line for the perimeter will be 2. This line also has 2, so that's 2. This line has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This line has 3. This line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I'm going to take all those numbers and add them together. Right now I have to get the eraser from Rhoda. So, puppies eat things. Also a lesson. So when we take our perimeter, we will add up all the numbers. I like to start at the top and go clockwise around. That way I know I didn't forget any numbers. So I'm going to take my 2 at the top, plus 2, plus 4, plus 3, plus 6, plus 5, equals my unknown. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. If I add those together, 4 plus 7 is 11, plus another 11 from down here, equals 22, which means that my perimeter would be 22 units. So since they're not squares, because it's on the outside, they're just, hi Rona, they're just called units. But when it's on the inside with the area and you're counting the number of squares, the area is square units, outside are just units. Let's do a couple more. The great thing is when you have a shape that's in an array, is you can automatically just do multiplication to figure out the area. So if I were to have a 4x4 box, all I have to do is know I have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, of 4 in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 times 4 equals 16. So I would have 16 square units. Because I have 16 squares inside my space. The outside will also have 4 on each side because there's 4 boxes. So all I have to do again for that is add those up. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which also equals 16. But if you need to simplify it a little bit, that's okay. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 8 equals 16. So our perimeter is 16 units. Hope that helps.